Good morning, students. As you know, we are doing chapter India's external relation, and we have already done many subtopics like Afro-Asian unity, non-alignment, Nehru's role in Indian foreign policy. Now we are doing our next chapter, peace and conflict with China. Peace means shanti and conflict means ladai. What were the reason between China and India of conflict? Okay, clear? Unlike its relationship with Pakistan, Free India began its relationship with China on a very friendly note. When India got independence, China was one of the good friend of India. After the Chinese Revolution in 1949, India was one of the first country to recognize the communist government. Okay, and Nehru felt strongly for this neighbor that was coming out of the shadow of Western domination. And Nehru felt that Nehru जी को लगता था that China also came from the came out of the Western domination. Western domination means influence of Western country. That China came from the Western influence and helped the new government in international fora. And they thought that China would be the supporter of him, China would be the friend of him, and China would help India in every matter. Some of his colleagues like Vallabhbhai Patel were worried about a possible Chinese aggression in future. But on the other hand, Vallabhbhai Patel, all of you know that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and their role in the integration of the newly independent India, and that Vallabhbhai Patel worried that in future China would attack on India. Okay, but Nehru thought it was exceedingly unlikely and that India will face an attack from China. But Nehru never thought that China will attack on India. Okay, he was too much confident for this. And for a very long time, the Chinese border was guarded by paramilitary forces, not the army. And that was the reason the army was not appointed at the Chinese border, and that was there was only paramilitary forces. Okay. Now I am repeating this paragraph once again. Peace and conflict with China. Unlike its relationship with Pakistan, India's relation is always not so good, never so good. And when India got independence, China was the friend of India, and Nehru strongly believed that China would never attack on India and always helped India in its matter. But Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel were worried that in future China would attack on India, and for a long time, uh, but Nehru was not sure of it, and he was sure that China was the friend of India and would never attack on India. So there were only the paramilitary force, not the army, on the Chinese border. Clear? The joint enunciation of Panchashil, the five principles of peaceful coexistence. In the last paragraph, Afro-Asian unity, I told you the principles of Indian foreign policy. Okay, and Indian foreign policy, one of the principle is peace. Panchashil. Panchashil. Panchashil means now you can write down in your question what were the principle of Indian foreign policy. And next point, Panchashil. You have already written to oppose racism, to oppose imperialism, and add one more point your आपका Panchsheel. Panchsheel, you can, there may be a question of 3 or 5 marks, 4 marks. Write a short note on Panchsheel. Panchsheel means principles of 5 group of 5 principles. Okay, 5 principles of peaceful coexistence. Peaceful coexistence, मिल के रहना, पीसफुल शांति से रहना, peaceful coexistence among different countries. Okay, between this the joint enunciation of Panchsheel, the 5 principles of peaceful coexistence by the Indian Prime Minister Nehru and the Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai on 29th April 1954. Then you will write in the question, what do you mean by Panchsheel? You will write that Panchsheel is the Panchsheel means punch plus sheel. Okay, punch 5, sheel, and the rules to of conduct. Clear? And Panchsheel means the group of 5 people to conduct the relation of different country. This was done between the Prime Minister Nehru and the Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai on 29th April 1954. Was a setup in the direction of stronger relationship between the two countries. India and China leader visited each other country. Okay, Indian leader went other countries and were greeted by large and friendly crowd. This Panchsheel, we will repeat this. This Panchsheel were done between Prime Minister Nehru and Premier Zhou Enlai on 29th April 1954. Panchsheel, 5 principles of peaceful coexistence. Okay, and India and China visit by this. It means the main motive of this Panchsheel treaty was to respect each other countries sovereignty. Okay, मतलब to respect both the country will respect the sovereignty of each other. Okay, clear?